advanced guide on Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a Debian-based distribution specifically designed for penetration testing and digital forensics. It comes with a wide variety of tools pre-installed, making it a one-stop shop for many security tasks. In this video, we'll be covering some advanced features and tools available in Kali Linux. First, we'll talk about virtualization. Kali Linux can be run inside a virtual machine using tools like VirtualBox or VMware. This allows for a safe environment to test and experiment with different tools and techniques. Next, we'll talk about customizing the system. Kali Linux allows for the customization of the system to fit the user's needs. This can be done by installing additional packages, modifying the system setting, and creating custom scripts. We'll also cover networking tools in Kali Linux such as Nmap, Wireshark, and Metasploit. Those tools can be used to perform tasks such as network mapping, packet capture, and exploitation. Password cracking is another important aspect of Kali Linux. It has a variety of tools for cracking password hashes such as John the Ripper and Hashcat. Those tools can be used to crack password hashes from a variety of sources, including Windows and Linux systems. Forensics is also a key feature in Kali Linux. It has a variety of digital forensic tools such as Autopsy and SaluteKit. Those tools can be used to analyze and extract data from digital media, including hard drives and memory cards. Web application security is another important aspect of Kali Linux. It has a variety of tools for testing exploiting web applications such as WebSuit, OWASP, ZAP, and SQL Map. Those tools can be used to find and exploit vulnerabilities in web applications. Wireless security is also a key feature in Kali Linux. It has a variety of tools for wireless security such as AirCrackNG and Wireshark. Those tools can be used to capture and analyze wireless traffic and to crack wireless encryption. Social engineering is another important aspect in Kali Linux. It has a variety of tools for social engineering such as SAT, Social Engineering Toolkit, and Meltigo. Those tools can be used to perform reconnaissance on target individuals or organizations and to craft phishing emails or website. Finally, we'll talk about scripting. Kali Linux supports multiple scripting languages such as Python, Perl, and Bash. Those can be used to automate tasks and to create custom scripts for various purposes such as penetration testing or forensic analysis. It's important to remember to use those tools in a legal and ethical manner and to always obtain proper authorization before conducting any testing. By following those steps and using the tools provided by Kali Linux, you can gradually improve your skills in the field of penetration testing and digital forensics. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more Kali Linux tutorials and guides.